Selling finished applications will give you additional revenue and open new business streams. With HP DesignJet printers, producing outstanding applications in-house is very easy and cost-effective. The HP DesignJet Z3200 is the perfect printer to create fine art canvas prints with gallery-quality images in color or black and white. The canvas print becomes a finished application that you can offer to consumers, businesses of any kind, and even museums. To create this application, we will use standard stretching bars with wedges and the usual tools such as a staple gun, cutter, ruler, and a hammer. A media we recommend is the acid-free HP Artist Matte Canvas for its nice whiteness and good image permanence. First, we cut the printout to the image size. Note that we will lose the parts on the edges of the canvas. To avoid this, you could add a blank space or mirror the edge of the picture in the file. Mounting the frame is very easy. You just need to assemble the parts with the help of a hammer. Align the printout face down on the frame. Staple each side one by one, stretching the canvas onto the frame each time you insert a new staple. Continue until only the corners are not stapled. If you need higher canvas tension on the frame, you should use a stretching plier. Cut the excess with the help of a blade and fold the corners straight. Staple it and repeat the same process with all the corners to finish them. Now you can staple the remaining canvas onto the frame. Use the blade to remove the excess canvas from the frame. To finish the application, you can cover the staples and canvas on the back with a decorative paper tape. Finally, use the wedges to fix the wooden frame. Be ready to amaze your customers with great canvas prints mounted on a frame. An easy task with a high return with the HP DesignJet printers. HP DesignJet Z Series printers. Grow your business and profitability with in-house production of outstanding applications.